Okay, just fired Furious back up. Now to get the new radiator installed. Don't see any leaks. That's that electric fan that is missing a chunk right over here. I don't care. I was a little bit worried about the belt from the water pump fully hitting the fan motor, but I revved it up and the motor rocks with the car, so we're good there, I think. I warmed it up to about 160. It's probably 90 degrees today. It's probably 95 in the shop here. It took more than 5 minutes to get to 160. I didn't run the fan for those first. It took more than 5 minutes. I should have timed it, but whoa, we got electric sparks coming out right there. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? Electric sparks coming out right here. I reckon that motor is getting ready to go bad. Look at this. You see them coming out. Yeah, something else is getting going on with what? Anyway, never fails, always something. Let her cool back down and see if she does the hot start. Electric water pump motor. Seems to be running pretty good other than that though. It's still got a bog in the carburetor though. No idea. Transmission, the dipstick's not reading either. I cycled it through several gears and it's barely touching the stick, so it may need to be topped off. There's no leaks, I don't see any, there's nothing under the car. I don't see anything under the chassis, so I probably didn't have it topped off good enough. Yeah, the water pump motor, it's an electric motor that turns the water pump. So you don't have to do it by belt, but with a fan and all that. It's a little noisy and it was shooting sparks out while it quit shooting. It did it sparks just at one time and it's quit doing that, but it got real noisy a while ago. The fan is noisy occasionally. You really can't fault the car. The electric water pump motor was on the car when I bought it. This was an old race car that had sat for years. There's no telling how old that pump is, that motor is, I mean. And the pump too, for that matter. But the motor is what's making the noise. Now that motor could be 20 years old, and the fan, that's an old Chrysler fan, probably off a minivan or something, who knows. Trying to get by on the cheap, you know how that is. I've put so much money in this car. The fan's quieting down. It may just because it's been on my shelf 5 years. The water pump motor though, I think I'm going to probably replace it. I believe so. I got to figure out what to do about this bog. It's they don't like a hard throttle. It just doesn't. You got to have a hard throttle to launch this thing. It's got to plant the tire. It plants the tires nicely. If you don't plant the tires, it's all over the track.